In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zapier Wix automation 2026, step by step. We're going to walk through the beginning of the setup process inside Zapier so you can connect Wix and start building an automation the right way. If you're new to Zapier, don't worry. This process is very beginner friendly, and once you understand how the trigger is configured, the rest of your automation becomes much easier to build. To get started, head over to Zapier. Once you're on the platform, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access the dashboard and create a new workflow. Zapier is where you'll build the automation that connects Wix with other apps and actions. After you arrive on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and click on Create. This is the starting point for making anything new inside Zapier, and it opens the options for building different kinds of automations. From there, click on Zaps. A zap is Zapier's name for an automated workflow. In simple terms, it's the sequence that tells Zapier what should happen and when it should happen. Choosing Zaps here means you're creating a standard automation from scratch. Once the editor opens, click on Trigger. The trigger is the event that starts your automation. This is an important part of the setup because it defines what action in Wix will tell Zapier to begin the workflow. Next, in the search field, type in Wix. This helps Zapier filter the available apps so you can quickly find the correct one. As you type, you should see matching app results appear. When Wix appears in the list, click on it. This selects Wix as the app that will provide the starting event for your automation. In other words, you're telling Zapier that something happening in Wix should launch the workflow. After selecting Wix, move to the panel on the right-hand side and add your trigger event. This is where you choose the specific Wix activity you want Zapier to watch for. Take a moment here to choose the event that best matches the kind of automation you want to build, because this selection affects what data Zapier can pull in later. Next, add your account. This step connects your Wix account to Zapier, so the two platforms can communicate securely. Make sure you select the correct account if you manage more than one site or workspace. Finally, continue to choose an event. This confirms the exact trigger you want to use and moves you forward in the setup. Once that's selected, you'll be ready for the next phase of building your Wix automation inside Zapier.